Plant-based meat is a complete and utter scam. Okay, let's talk about plant-based meat. For some reason, nowadays, anything with plant-based on is thought of as healthy. Okay, it's advertised as healthy and people think, oh yeah, plant-based, must be healthy. But let's have a look at it. I mean, let's compare just a normal beef burger to a plant-based beef burger. Normal beef burger, what's it got in it? Beef, maybe some salt. Plant-based burger, it's got over 20 ingredients in it, of which there will be a number of seed oils, which you know, inflammatory, bad for us. Some types of sugar. They normally contain maltodextrin, which has a higher glycemic index than sugar. Load of other chemicals, some plant materials that your body can't even digest, and all just to try and make it seem like a burger. It's hugely processed. All these chemicals in it, all of these things, they're not good for you, and yet it gets to the end and we see it as healthy. But this burger, which literally just contains beef, natural product, which humans have always eaten, for some reason that is classed as unhealthy. But this processed pile of rubbish that's not even food is somehow classed as healthy. And then of course with plant-based, the other thing they try and talk about is the environment. Oh, everything's green, everything's good for the environment, right? Okay, let's compare them as well, shall we? So they've got over 20 ingredients. Those ingredients are all grown completely separately. So there's everything that goes into that. Then they're all transported to that one place. Again, even more pollution coming from that. They eventually get to their big factory where they're processed inside, more from that. Then they're flown all over the world to the shops where you will then drive and go buy them. That sounds like an awful lot of pollution being made through that process. Then let's look at a nice beef burger that I get. There's a farm a couple of hours away. Grass-fed beef. They're literally out in the field eating grass all year round. Eventually, when it comes to slaughtering them, they go a few minutes down the road to the slaughterhouse, get packaged up and sent a couple hours down the road to me in one delivery, which lasts me about a month. I'm going to be honest, from my point of view, I seem to think the second option for the beef burger is much better for the environment and much better for my health. And you know what? It's also much better for the planet. Cows out in the field eating grass is part of the natural cycle. All of these products being grown, a lot of them which are monocrops, which are completely destroying our soil and the quality of our soil, they're all the ingredients that are going into the plant-based burger. You know, people talk about deforestation and other stuff for farming. Think how many things have got to be grown for that one plant-based burger as opposed to just a cow out in the field eating grass. Just think about it and use common sense. So normal burgers, proper beef burgers, are better for our health, better for the environment, better for the planet. Why would you choose plant-based? They're not healthy. Stop believing the scam that plant-based is healthy. These plant-based fake meats are terrible for you. They're processed rubbish. If you're going to eat plant-based, then just stick to actual plants, preferably grown locally or homegrown. And that's going to be better than eating this absolute rubbish. If you want to eat meat, which you should, stick to real meat. Plant-based meat is a scam.